to prepare our butternut squash for roasting, what we're going to do is we're going to use a speed peeler just to skim the squash. It's really easy. Then we can take our sharp knife, and what we can do is very carefully top and tail the squash. So getting rid of the very tip and the root at the bottom. And what that does as well is that gives us a way of placing the squash on the board so it's quite firm. And we can take our knife and from the very top, making sure that we keep our fingers nice and clear, we can just draw our knife down through the squash. What that does, that'll expose where the seeds are, and using a spoon, just scrape out the seeds. And then we can take our knife and very carefully cut it into strips. So this is quite a small squash, so I'm just going to go into thirds. Get rid of that seed. And then with each half, what we can do is turn it upside down. So placing it so that it's flat on the board makes it safer for us to cut, because the squash isn't going to move around. So we can take this and just cut it into cubes which are just a couple of centimetres across. And there we've got our beautiful butternut squash cut into cubes, ready to be roasted